The golden fried fish crafted inside this flashy aquamarine colored restaurant is satisfying seafood cravings in LA and collecting accolades along the way. Today we're in the heart of the Crenshaw district to get a taste of Mel's Fish Shack. You can enjoy 12 types of fish, grilled or fried, as well as other Louisiana-inspired seafood favorites like po' boys at this casual spot that's become a community institution here. Let's get a taste.
When people come to Mel's Fish Shack, they can expect to eat the best fish and seafood in California.
And what brings you back?
The food, the heart. Georgette, the owner, she just has a heart of gold. Her love for the community, her love for her business.
Normally I get the catfish and sometimes the fried oysters.
I love my salmon salad, grilled. My daughter's probably in there now ordering up all the shrimp.
Mel was your father, right? So
Yes.
how did he come to start Mel's Fish Shack?
My dad was a serial entrepreneur. He just got tired of working for other people. We had an ornamental iron business. We owned a liquor store. We had a locksmith shop. A friend said, oh, I think you should open up a fish restaurant because this neighborhood is predominantly black, and black folks like to have fish on Fridays. So he said, okay. It just took off like wildfire.
And this is Louisiana-inspired
Yes,
cuisine.
Louisiana-inspired cuisine, yeah.
You're from LA.
I'm from LA.
So how did you guys come up with the Louisiana?
My dad is just good. He's just good at everything. It's just a God-given gift. Actually, the fish season that he made is good on everything.
Is that the special seasoning that you guys sell?
Yes.
Okay, I saw that in there. Does that go on all of the fish?
That goes on all of our products that we sell, yes.
Okay.
And that's what keeps people coming back.
We're in the kitchen. Georgette, we're gonna make some catfish?
Yeah, we're gonna make some fried catfish.
Okay, so where do we start?
So this catfish has already been rinsed.
Okay,
So
important first step.
Yep, and we take our Mel's secret seasoning, and you
It's a
sprinkle it
secret.
on there, and you kind of massage it around, make sure you evenly distribute the seasoning on there with the water is a great conduit. And then we dump it right here on our cornmeal, and then we batter it real lightly with your fingertips.
Okay.
All right? And some people like a more coarse cornmeal batter, but ours is a little bit more on the fine side, so it doesn't taste grainy.
And usually about how many minutes?
It's about 7 to 9 minutes.
It looks delicious. Golden fried. Your specialty here is fried fish, right?
Yes.
But you've also been introducing healthier options.
As a people, you know, we kind of lead in every health disparity for hypertension, diabetes, cholesterol. And I just said, God, the Lord blessed us with a beautiful concept and something that people love. But, you know, if they keep eating all this fried food, they won't be here. So it's like, well, we got to create something healthy. And for years, I used to like steam vegetables and make salads, and we would just be throwing it away. Nobody really wanted it. And I think it's our job as the restaurateur, as the owner, as the developer, to develop healthier options that people enjoy. And fortunately, you know, we've been able to do that.
Right. And so what are some of those popular healthy options?
Well, for example, we make our grilled salmon salad, and we are now infusing them with our Barron's microgreens, which is a superfood, and it's packed with macronutrients. And we also have a grilled fish wrap.
And then microgreens, this is also a partnership, right, with someone else in the community?
Yes, with Barron's microgreens. And they are the only 100% USDA certified organic black-owned farm in California.
In California, the entire
California,
state.
the
Wow.
entire state, yes.
And they come right here.
And they come right here.
This looks delicious. And this is the famous catfish.
Famous catfish with hot sauce and our garlic dill sauce.
Okay.
And our grilled salmon salad with the Barron's microgreens.
All right, gonna have you come over next to me
Yes.
and talk through this. Maybe you can help me eat all of this deliciousness.
Okay.
Possibly. So I see we have some sauces here.
Yes. We have our garlic dill sauce that we make in-house. So that's not
This
your
one?
traditional tartar sauce. That's our garlic dill sauce. That's our secret
Okay.
formula.
Secret, okay.
Yeah, and you get that hot sauce, our Cajun Chef hot sauce. That's the kicker.
All right.
Then you're gonna just take you're gonna dip it in the dill sauce, and then dip it in the hot sauce.
Ooh,
And that just makes it,
look at that, look at that.
makes your taste buds go shebang.
All right.
It's shebang.
All right, I'm gonna get some microgreens and some fish. I'm gonna get all of it.
Yes, 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 yes.
I'm making a mess, but it's okay.
Oh, that's okay.
No worries.
It's good eating.
The dressing is really good too. Your dad opened this spot in 1983?
1982.
1982.
Yes, I was in 10th grade.
How did you come to decide that you wanted to take it over?
I was getting ready to prepare to graduate from college. And I just kind of looked at what my dad had done. He had sacrificed for me and my sister. He raised us, you know, as a single parent. And he always told us, like, you know, you're never going to have to work for anyone. You're never going to have to answer to anyone. I'm going to create a vehicle for you to be able to be your own boss. I had political aspirations, or I was going to become a medical doctor, go to med school. But I wanted to make sure that he knew if anything happened to him after I graduated, that he knew I had his back. Yeah, and then after he passed, suddenly in 2001, that's what really, you know, there was no turning back then.
All right. And here we are.
And here we are.
And so you were telling me that you're also thinking about who you're going to pass this torch to.
We're definitely a legacy business.
This restaurant is something that has tied our family together for 3 generations. I'm next in line, as she always says.
I had an opportunity to start working with that family. We have a big culinary arts program at Dorsey, so she has hired some of our students. As a matter of fact, one of them in there right now that came out of our culinary arts program.
We don't live in a vacuum, okay? So we are the community, and without the community, we wouldn't be here for 41 years.